start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Please excuse my nails today. I've literally... I shouldn't record really. I've just took my nails off. And they're so crusty dusty, but we move. Right, guys, today I've got a new set of gel polishes from Kredioo. So, shall we open them and see what they are? Ooh, what could they be? We don't need that. Let's have a look. Right, so the 7.5ml bottles. Looks like we've got glitters. I know what they are. Oh! Look at this. This is nice. Right, we need a bit of flashage for this. Oh my giddy aunt. Look at this. Oh my days. This is the glitteriest, shiniest, reflectivest I've ever seen. Wow, right. Let's see what other colours we got. So that is Z001. Oh guys, I can't stop looking at it. Z002. Oh my gosh, guys. Come on, these brands are having a giggle, aren't they? This is illegal to be so pretty. Oh my gosh. 003. I don't want to do it. This is just pornographic. Oh, that's like a deep cherry red. Oh, and it's got bits of silver in there. Guys, just look at that sparkle. Come on, Kredioo. This is naughty. 004. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Right, let's just get on with it because we're going to swatch these anyway. Gotta swatch them, haven't I? 005. Oh my gosh, this is blue. Oh my gosh, I'm going to whisper now. They're beautiful. 006. Oh my days. Should we swatch them? We gotta swatch them. Right, I'm still whispering. Let's go. Bring you in a bit. Ovs. Oh, I can smell my tea cooking. My belly's rumbling. Right, I'm just going to swatch these over a clear. And I'll probably give them 2 coats. If they need it. Oh, wow. My gosh. My gosh. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Wow. Right. 002. I'll just do one more with you. And I'll put some music on for the rest of them. And I'll give them a second coat off camera. Oh, wow. Christmas, New Year. These are going to be fan-dooby-dastic. Look at this. Look at the sparkle. They're just stunning, aren't they? Right guys, that's them all had 2 swatches. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're crazy. Let me show you what they look like with the flash off. So that's them just in normal light. But they are still so sparkly. My gosh, but no. Look at this. Any kind of light hits them. And that's this. I love this. It's like a minty green, isn't it? Oh my gosh. These are stunning. Look at that sparkle. I could watch these all day. Look at that. It's like they've got little lights in there sparkling away. I'm not a green person, but I'm loving this minty green. My camera can't even focus. Love them. Absolutely love them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Definitely got to do something with these. Definitely got to do something with these. I will leave links below. These are off Amazon, obviously. I have got a permanent 10% off code for Kredioo store. So if you're ever on there and there's no Amazon vouchers available, come and grab my code, guys. It is in my description box. And it is now a permanent part of the family. I'll leave links below to this set, and I'll leave links to their actual store. They've got loads of wicked gel polishes. They really have. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you back in my next one for some more sparkliness. Take care. Bye.